For over 50 years, computing has run on one idea: silicon transistors moving electrical charge. Faster, smaller, more of them. Today, an Indian scientist has helped prove there's another way entirely. An international team, including a scientist from IIT Bhubaneswar, has published a landmark paper in Nature Nanotechnology. The achievement? The world's largest synchronized network of nanoscale spintronic oscillators, over 100,000 of them, essentially establishing that these are devices working in perfect coordination and are not in an experimental stage. The team building this demonstrated that these oscillators don't run on an electrical charge. They exploit something different altogether, which is the spin of the electron itself. And the number and fact which stunned researchers was that the full network synchronized into a single coherent state in just, wait for it, 45 nanoseconds. That is 45 billionths of a second. No external control mechanism forcing them into sync. Instead, they found coordination on their own. Now, the research was a joint effort between the University of Gothenburg in Sweden, Tohoku University in Japan, and IIT Bhubaneswar in India. Now, for the part that actually takes this development beyond just being a physics curiosity. Today's AI models, as we know, are becoming extremely expensive to run. Massive GPU clusters, gigawatts of electricity, billions of dollars in infrastructure. Now, the largest AI data centers now consume power comparable to entire cities. Spintronic oscillators offer a very different path because, well, they synchronize naturally. They can perform certain computations in parallel using dramatically less energy than conventional chips. Applications which can be provided with solutions include neural network acceleration, pattern recognition, and edge AI. Exactly the workloads straining today's power grids. Now, the human brain, that's interesting. The human brain performs extraordinary computation on roughly 20 watts of power. Now, that is most of human brains. Modern supercomputers need megawatts to do far less. Now, to fill that very gap is what's driving neuromorphic computing, which I believe puts things in perspective. Basically, hardware that mimics how neurons actually synchronize inside of the human brain. Now, this research gives scientists very real experimental proof that this kind of synchronization works even at a massive scale. 100,000 devices acting as one. This matters beyond the lab because global computing is approaching a roadblock. Transistors are hitting atomic limits. Energy and heat are becoming the real constraint, not so much the raw processing power. Countries will actually, the ones that own the intellectual property behind whatever comes next, won't honestly just be manufacturing chips. They'll design the architecture, the scaffolding, the rest of the world will run on. Now, India's semiconductor mission has so far focused on fabrication, packaging, and testing. Research like this places an Indian institution inside the design conversation itself. But of course, we need to fairly be clear about where this actually stands as on date. This is, as of now, at a laboratory stage science level. Commercial deployment would require years of further work. Then, of course, there is manufacturing at scale, integration with existing chip fabrication, and building the software to actually use it. So the day is still quite far off in the distance when we could see a spintronic chip in a laptop. But the foundational physics just got a very serious, published, peer-reviewed proof point. And here is now the front page take. Now, what makes this great is that India is an integral part of computing's next chapter, celebrating the fact that India is working tirelessly to not just manufacture yesterday's chips faster, but now in helping invent tomorrow's. But the question I have for all of you is, can this lab breakthrough survive the long road from Nature Nanotechnology to an actual chip on a shelf? Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.